This is the C20S smartwatch with Bluetooth calling, super hardened, really ruggedized, and well-functional smartwatch. You got all kinds of controls in here, overall brightness, weather in your area, an onboard flashlight, and many, many more. Access to your settings if you want. Here you got a pull-out panel that shows you time and weather and your most recently used apps as well. Notifications sent from your phone kick in here, and when you go this direction, if you have it tethered to your phone, this switches here to show you your recent calls, a dial pad that you can actually place a phone call with the speaker and microphone in the watch through your phone number to someone else and listen to them here on the watch itself. That's called Bluetooth calling. You've got your step count information and a lot more details down here, including the steps by hour. You've got last night's sleep time. And you've got your last summary of the last several days. Heart rate kicks in here. When you come down, you can actually see your continuous heart rate on a chart. You've also got blood pressure readings in here. The last 7 will show up. Blood oxygen readings. And again, the last 7 will show up there. You've got the recent exercise activity. And here you can get into your workout area. Shows you all the different things that you can do, including swimming. Yep, it's a waterproof watch with Bluetooth calling speaker and microphone, which is a nice combination to have. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of different activities. You've got an onboard music player that'll tie to your phone and play the music from your phone through your watch. And of course, weather in whatever city you set up in Fahrenheit or centigrade, complete with forecasts as well. And back to an AI voice, your Siri or your Google, whichever phone you're using, that you can interrogate your service directly and get the answers back spoken right there on the watch itself. Lots of different watch faces, some stock ones in here, and then some that you can download as well, like that one. I really like that plain, simple watch face, and they rotate around so you can pick whichever watch face you'd like for yours. It's a very nice, I mean really, really ruggedized watch. It's got a very integrated, unique band, very thin, and very functional. It's the C20S. Check it out.